Can I use the video call feature on Messenger with multiple people at once?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the video call feature on Messenger and whether you can use it with multiple people at once. Let's dive right in.
Understanding Messenger's video call feature.
Messenger is a popular messaging platform that offers a variety of features, including the ability to make video calls. Video calls on Messenger allow you to have face-to-face conversations with your friends, family, or colleagues, regardless of their location.
Video calls with multiple people.
Now, let's get to the main question. Can you use the video call feature on Messenger with multiple people at once? The answer is yes. Messenger provides a group video calling feature that allows you to include multiple participants in a single video call. To start a group video call on Messenger, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the Messenger app on your device. 2. Select a group chat or create a new group. 3. Tap on the video call icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. 4. Messenger will initiate the video call and invite all the group members to join. 5. Once the participants accept the call invitation, you'll be able to see and hear everyone in the group video call.
Group video call limitations.
While Messenger does support group video calls, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Participant limit. The number of participants you can include in a group video call may vary depending on the version of Messenger you're using. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Messenger allowed up to 50 participants in a single video call. However, it's always a good idea to check the latest updates from Facebook or Messenger's official sources for the most accurate information regarding participant limits. Device compatibility. Group video calls on Messenger are available on various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. However, it's important to ensure that all participants have compatible devices and the latest version of Messenger installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Internet connection. Since group video calls involve transmitting audio and video data for multiple participants, a stable and reliable internet connection is crucial. Make sure you and all the participants have a strong internet connection to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted video call experience. To wrap up, Messenger does indeed support group video calls, allowing you to connect with multiple people simultaneously. Just remember to create a group chat, initiate the video call, and enjoy face-to-face conversations with your friends, family, or colleagues. Stay connected and have a great time using Messenger's video call feature.